Hi, my name is Danna Castellanos. Today I go to make a video presentation about my friend. His name is Cristian Felipe Vega. He is 21 years old. His birthday is September 3. His nationality is Colombian. He is from Guayabal, but he lives in Zipaquirá with his mother and his brother. He is single and his best friend is me. His profession is public accountant, but he works in a motorcycle workshop. His hobbies are, for example, he enjoys mountain biking, he loves the cars and the adventure activities, and the favorite team in Colombia is Millonarios. Thank you.